Well, as you can see, while the caulking is being done on the hull, I've been roughly cutting the deck panels and putting them into place. I'm now starting to make up the patterns for the new cabin sides and putting in bulkheads, and I've also put in the cockpit floor as well. Rob's downstairs caulking, and I'll take you down and show you what he's doing. This is Rob. Say hello, Rob.
Hello, Rob.
He's been caulking the hull while I've been putting the deck panels on and doing a fabulous job. Now, this to me is one of the most exciting parts, and that is making up the mock cabin side to get the proportions right. I will spend a long time looking at the shape of the cabin and making sure that the lines are exactly right. I do not want to make a mistake in the lines, or I will regret it for the rest of my life. Maybe this might be the next boat I'll restore. Or maybe not. Whoops.